Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a fun and functional accessory. If you love adding a touch of humor to your gardening routine, you're in for a treat. We're reviewing the Laila and Lainey small indoor watering can, famously known as the "Sometimes I Wet My Plants" can. Let's find out if this watering can lives up to its quirky reputation. First off, let's talk design. This watering can is crafted from durable yellow galvanized metal, giving it a rustic, country-inspired look that's both charming and practical. It boasts a 1.6-liter capacity, making it perfect for watering your indoor and patio plants with ease. The standout feature? The humorous phrase, "Sometimes I wet my plants," emblazoned on the can, adding a delightful touch of personality to your gardening arsenal. Now, you might be wondering, why choose the Laila and Lainey watering can over others? Apart from its charming design and functionality, it's backed by a satisfaction guarantee from LSB brands. If you or your recipient aren't satisfied, they promise a full refund. It's no wonder this can has earned the Amazon's Choice badge for watering cans by Laila and Lainey. In conclusion, if you're looking for a gardening gift that's both practical and playful, the Laila and Lainey small indoor watering can is a fantastic choice. Whether it's for yourself or a fellow plant lover, this can is sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. That wraps up our review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that make a difference in your everyday life. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you next time with more insights on the latest and greatest products.